The Moral Issue of Genetic Engineering, presented by Gwyneth Cañesa. Contents: Genetic engineering is a powerful scientific advancement that allows the modification of an organism's DNA. While it has the potential to cure genetic diseases, enhance human traits, and improve agriculture, it also raises profound moral and ethical concerns. The core moral issue revolves around whether humans should have the right to alter life at a fundamental level and the consequences of such interventions. Praying God and ethical boundaries. One of the most debated moral concerns is whether genetic engineering is an overreach of human power. Many religious and philosophical perspectives argue that modifying genes interferes with the natural order, evolution, or divine creation. Unintended consequences and risks to future generations. Genetic modifications, especially in humans, are permanent and heritable. The long-term effects are unknown, and mistakes could lead to unforeseen diseases, genetic imbalances, or new and ethical dilemmas. The risk of designer babies raises concerns about altering traits beyond medical necessity, potentially leading to social and biological consequences. Inequality and genetics discrimination. If genetic enhancements become widely available, they may only be accessible to the wealthy, deepening social and economic divides. This could lead to a future where genetically enhanced individuals may have advantages over those who are not, creating a new form of discrimination known as genetic classism. Loss of genetic diversity and evolutionary consequences. Widespread genetic modification may reduce genetic diversity, making human population more vulnerable to disease and environmental changes. This could disrupt natural selection and weaken the ability of future generations to adapt. The ethics of cloning and identity. Human cloning and genetic modifications raise questions about individuality, autonomy, and identity. If a person is genetically engineered or cloned, do they have the same rights as naturally conceived individuals? Would clones be treated as equals or a products? Animal welfare and ecological impact. Genetic engineering is extensively used in animals for research in agriculture. However, the suffering caused by genetic experiments, including deformities and a shortened lifespan, raises ethical concerns. Additionally, genetically modified organisms, GMOs, may disrupt ecosystems, leading to unforeseen environmental consequences. Ethical boundaries and medicine. There is a distinction between using genetic engineering for treatment, curing disease, and enhancement, improving physical or mental traits. While many support genetic engineering for medical purposes, using it to enhance intelligence, strength, or beauty raises ethical questions about fairness, consent, and the definition of humanity. Thank you for listening.